Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fiesta headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a new H7 headlight bulb, and possibly a 10mm socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down for safety. Wearing protective gloves is also a good idea to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and locating the headlight assembly. You will see two 10mm bolts on top of the headlight unit. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward about 2 to 3 inches. This action will unclip it from its lower mounting points, providing enough room to work comfortably behind the assembly. With the headlight unit pulled forward, you can now replace the bulb. Find the large, circular plastic cover at the back of the headlight assembly. Twist this cover counterclockwise to remove it, revealing the bulb inside. Next, unclip the metal retaining spring that holds the old bulb in place, then carefully disconnect the electrical connector. Remove the old bulb and insert your new H7 bulb, making sure it is seated firmly and correctly before reattaching the electrical connector and the retaining spring. Finally, let's reassemble and test. First, replace the circular plastic cover, twisting it clockwise until it is securely fastened. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its original mounting position. You should feel it click into place. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not excessively. Close the hood, then turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new headlight bulb is working correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.